Hello everyone, it's Rosie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Valentine's Day themed one where I'm going to show you how to make these lovely pink and sparkly heart corner bookmarks. They're very easy to do and they look so nice once they're done. They're so pink and sparkly. Oh, I like them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay, so as usual, I'm starting off with a nice sheet of A4 paper, and then I'm taking some scissors to cut it in half, and then with the half I'm going to fold up one corner up to the top edge, and then cut off the excess so that I'm left with a square ready to start folding the bookmark. So we already have the first fold. So the next thing to do, if you've seen any of my other videos or any corner bookmark videos at all, then you'll know how to do this, but if not, then what you need to do is fold the two bottom points of the triangle up to the top, and then fold them back down, and then fold the top layer of the paper down to the bottom edge, and then take the two bottom corners again and then fold them up and round and tuck them in, and that's how to make the basic corner bookmark. So what I'm going to do now is fold it in half, and then what I'm going to do is take some scissors and I'm going to cut the corner and shape round. What I'm doing here is shaping the heart shape so that when I unfold it, it will be even. When you're cutting the corner, make sure you don't cut too far down because otherwise it will just break the bookmark. And then once you're finished, you can open it up and you have a heart. Isn't that lovely? So that's how to make a very basic heart, but now what I'm going to do is decorate. So what I'm going to do is take my lovely glitter card. I've already used some, as you can see, so I've already got the hearts cut out, and I'm going to cut out some hearts. So I'm going to take the purpley, well it's sort of pinky purple. It looks much more purple on the video than it does in real life. But anyway, I'm taking this and I'm just going to fold up the edge, one of the sides, and then take my scissors and I'm going to cut out half of a heart shape, and then when I unfold it, it shall be a full heart. And I'm going to make this quite big because this is going to be the second heart on the bookmark, and then I'll make another one, the third one, and that will be smaller still. So I'm just going to measure it against the bookmark and see if I need to trim it, which I do, and you can just keep adjusting, and you don't have to use sparkly card, you don't have to use card, you can use more paper. I would have used paper but I only had card, but to be honest this made it quite sturdy anyway, so it was fine. So once that one's done, I'm then taking the excess piece of paper that I used, that I didn't use earlier, that I set aside, and this is the white, and I'm just going to fold up bottom corner to the top edge and then cut it off, and then I am going to repeat this on the other side as well, so I have two triangles. Then what I'm going to do, so with the first triangle, is I'm going to take my scissors and cut out a smaller heart to go on top of the glittery one. This one I had to recut several times to make sure I got it to the right size, but just keep cutting it until you're happy. And once you're happy with the size of your hearts, the next thing to do is take a glue stick and then just stick them all down. Okay, now that one's finished, I'm going to take the other triangle and I'm going to make a tiny version of the heart bookmark. So this is, I'm pretty sure this is the same size I use for my mouse corner bookmark ones, but it's exactly the same thing, just fold it exactly like a normal corner bookmark, just on a much smaller scale. And then fold it in half and take your scissors, and again be careful not to cut too much off the corner, and then shape around the heart and then unfold it, and then you have a tiny corner bookmark. It's so cute! And that's it! That's how I made these heart bookmarks. I just did them all with different combinations of the paper and the card, and they look so nice. They're so pink and sparkly, and oh, they're just very nice. I really like them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a go at making these. I really hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!